this video I'll show you how to make these coil Chinese frock closure buttons, also called as double color cording fancy buttons. So let's quickly start with this project. I'll be using two colors bias strips joining together in the center. Place it like this, holding both together, give the top stitch. Now fold the bias strip just adjacent to this fold. We have to give the stitch line. So I have prepared two dories. Let's turn inside out. This is called as multicolored dory or double colored dory. Using this thread and needle, give the tight knot at the end. Insert the needle reversely in the casing and pull it to another side. Slowly start pulling the thread from another side, holding it tightly with the left hand, pull it towards the right side. Like this we have to prepare two dory strings. See, slowly it's coming out, start pulling it to another side. You can also try this type of closure buttons with a single color dory string. See, I made two dory strings like this. Now if you see here, the red dory is 10 inches in length, whereas the black with 7 inches. This is because the coil shape should be in asymmetric. Start making the circles, holding it. The shape should be something like S. You can see here. Hold the end of the cord. That means here red dory, hold it tightly and start making the circles, rotating it, making it tight circles, holding the coil shape between the two fingers like this till it reaches to the center. That means till it reaches to the end of the black cording or the dory. See, I made the coils of the red dory. To secure the shape perfectly, we have to give the hand stitch. Slowly start pulling the needle till it reaches to the center like this. Again pull it back. Maintain the shape perfectly as it is. Now we should stitch another side. Now hold the another side dory end and start making the circles. Start rotating it till it reaches to the center. The length of this coil will be less compared to the previous one. Now we have to give the hand stitch, securing the chain. Ensure that you are giving invisible stitches and use the same color thread as the dory. Now reaching to the center, give the tight knot. Now take 5 inches cord or the dory and towards the back side, holding it in the shape of the loop, give the stitch. So I'm done with this one-sided button. Now I'll show you how to join this to the neckline. Place it on the slit and start giving the invisible stitches. And towards the end, towards reverse side, give the tight knots. If you want to go with the simple look, then you can join any fabric buttons like this, and you can insert the loop. This is how it looks. As I said, it is two-sided buttons. Now we'll prepare the knotted loop. Hold the dory like this and give the tight knot. Again, giving one more tight knot. This is how the knotted loop will be prepared. See how strongly and tightly the knot loop had made. In the same way as shown previously, we have to prepare the coil Chinese frock closures. And towards wrong side, place this knotted loop ends and give the tight stitch. This is how the knotted loop frock closure. Remove the extras at the ends. Now we'll place this frock closure to another side and give the invisible stitches to secure. Then give the tight knot to the wrong side. This type of cording fancy buttons will leave you an adorable enhancing look. See how beautifully it's been assembled, and the pretty look of the knot in the center will really enhance your beauty. I hope this video is useful to you all. Please try, like and share. Also leave your valuable suggestions and recommendations. For the Telugu and Hindi version videos, please visit to Stylish Trends. The link is in the description box. Please check out. Make you friends with another interesting video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Radha, fashion designer, signing off. Bye friends. Love you all.